Hi everyone. So in today's video, I will explain about day one assignment of 5-day AI agent intensive. So in this video, I will be telling about this assignment, how to complete this assignment. So let's see how to complete the assignment and don't want to miss other assignments too. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and on the bell icon. So first of all, complete the unit 1 introduction to agents. First, you need to listen to the summary podcast. In this, you will get a video. So let me show how you will get the video. Click on this. So here is the podcast which you need to listen. If you don't want to listen this, no worries. You can find here Introduction to Agents White PDF of this summary podcast. So you can go through these. So here is a PDF which you can also download. So click on this just. You, you will be redirected here. So you can just click on download button and this PDF will be downloaded. So after this, we have complete this code labs on Kaggle. So first one is build your first agent using Gemini and agent development kit. So let's build this. So you need to build your first agent using Gemini. So click on build and you'll get this. So day 1A from prompt to action. So you can just go through these all, you will understand, or you just can follow my video and complete your assignment. So here or the table of contents and all. So just go through these ones. Now the next step is just click on edit my copy. So in this you will get to edit your code and you can just run your code here. So before going to these, first you need to create your API key. So I will tell how to create a API key. It is very easy. Just go to Google AI Studio. You can go to Google and just type Google AI Studio and you will click on the first link. So this page will be open. If you are not able to see like this, like create API key, then you can click on get API key. Then you can see create API key. So this API key should be secret. You should not share this API key with anyone else. You need to keep this safe. So you need to use only your API key. You can't use others API key. Okay. So now let's generate the API key. So if you don't find this page, just click on get API key and after that create API key. Click on create API key. Name your key. So name your key something like Google AI key. Okay. Then click on select a cloud project. Then click on create project. Name your project like my project. Okay. Then click on create project. After creating the project, click on create key and you're all set to go. So here is your API key. So previously I have created this. So just copy your API key and keep it safely. Just copy this and paste in some notepad or any other place. And you should remember that key. Like you should, this will be useful in the next sessions. So just paste it somewhere safely. So in the previously I have just created this key. So I'll just copy this and I'll paste in the notepad. So now just come back to the page which you have opened previously. That is the editor. So here you can find option like add-ons and click on add-ons. Then click on secrets. Now click on add secret. Now you can find something like Google API key. So copy this as it is Google API key. This should be same, exactly same. Just paste here and enter value. Here you need to enter the value of your secret key. That is your API key. You need to enter here.
After entering the key, just click on save. Next, what you need to do is scroll down. You can find something like import OS from Kaggle. So here is the setup process is the gave. but I'm just telling what to do. So you can find, see, we have just completed the Google API key, right? Then now the next process is authentication to the notebook. So you need to run this code. So select that, you will get a triangle shape, click on the triangle and it will start running. So it will take a few moments to run the code, so keep patience. If you get Gemini API key setup complete, then you're done with this step. So that means you have successfully completed that. Next, import ADK components. So you need to, in order to import the ADK component, you need to run this cell. Okay, it will also take some time, so wait for it. Now you'll get something like ADK component imported successfully. So if you get that, that means you're done with that. Okay, the next one is helper function. Helper function is nothing but it just connect your Kaggle with the web UI. Okay, so just run this code. So if you run, if you get like something helper function defined, then you're done with the step 2. So now the section 2, your first AI agent with ADK. So go through this, that is what is an AI agent, define your AI agent, then scroll down, then you will get a code. See, after scrolling, just run this code. Okay, so select that code and you will get a triangle, then just run. So you need like in the description it will be something like a simple agent that can answer general question. So in the instruction you will be having something like your helpful assistant, use Google search for, like we are creating a something like chat GPT which you need to give questions and it will give the answers. Next one is run your agent. So in order to run your agent, just click that cell and click the triangle button. You need to get runner created, then you're all set with that. So now next if you are done with this step, now we need to check if it is actually working or not. So in order to see that, just click on.
Now after everything, we need to see how does it work. So we can see this in a ADK web UI, means in a web UI we can see this like a Google search kind of similar. It is similar to the chat GPT. If you ask question, it will give you answer. So for that, just scroll down. You'll get the web interface like this. Okay, just run this code. This code ran successfully. So actually this will take some time to run. So keep patience. And now you need to run this. Click on the run button. You should get something like this. Okay. So if you click on this blue button, this will be open, but don't click it now. After you run this process, then you can click here. So first let's run this process. So it started running.
So actually this process will take a bit of time. So keep patience. After running that, you can click on the blue button. After completing all the running, you can just click on the blue button, then you'll get a web UI interface. Okay, here is the interface. So here you can ask certain questions, like whatever questions you will ask, it will be giving you the answers, just like your chat GPT or anything like AI model. So this is the day 1A, that is from prompt to action. This is one of the part of your assignment. So in the next part we'll see the day 1B. So when you scroll down, you'll see something like congratulations, you're done with this, you have built and run your first agent with ADK. You are just seeing the core concept of agent development in actions. The big takeaway is that your agent didn't just respond, it reasoned, that is needed more information and then acted by using a tool. This ability to make action is the foundation of AI agent. So next, so no submission is required. This notebook is for your hands-on practice and learning only. You do not need to submit anywhere to complete the course. Refer to these for more info. So in the next part you'll be having about architect multi-agent system. So we'll discuss this in the next video. So in the mail you can see we have just completed the first one, build your first agent using Gemini. In next video we'll see